In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial of Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to type so you can start exploring Jasper without paying up front. Keep this open on your device and follow along. First, head to the official Jasper AI website by typing jasper.ai into your browser's address bar. Make sure you're on the authentic site before you proceed. You should see the Jasper branding and a clean homepage highlighting its AI content features. If you're on a desktop, keep your eye on the top navigation area. On mobile or a smaller screen, the layout may compress into a menu icon, so you might need to tap the menu to reveal the same options. Either way, you're looking for the free trial option. Next, click Free Trial at the top right of the page. This button is designed to stand out and takes you straight to the sign-up flow. If the homepage has been updated since you last visited and you don't immediately see it, look for similar wording like Start Free or Try for Free. It will point to the same sign-up path. Once you click, you'll be taken to a simple account creation screen. On the sign-up screen, you have two ways to get started. You can enter your email address and continue by typing your first name and last name, or you can choose Continue with Google. If you prefer to keep everything under your existing Google account, the Google option is quick and convenient. If you want the account tied to a specific work or personal email, use the email field and make sure your name details are accurate, as they can appear in your account profile. Take a moment to double check your spelling so your account looks professional. Now type in the email and password for your new Jasper account. If you chose the email route, create a strong password you'll remember. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. If you went with Google, you'll confirm the Google account you want to use and proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts, and within a few moments, you should land inside your Jasper dashboard, ready to explore the tools included in the free trial. From here, you can start experimenting with templates, drafting copy, and getting a feel for the interface. If anything on the page looks different from what you see here, simply follow the same logic. Look for free trial, choose your sign-in method, and complete the email and password fields. Enjoy testing Jasper and make the most of your trial period.